In this way, you can change the font style on WhatsApp when sending chats, without using any app. Here's the tutorial. First, open your browser. Search for LingoJam on Google. Then open the first website. Type the text you want here. And at the bottom there are lots of font styles you can use. You just copy the text style you want. Then paste it into WhatsApp. And tap send. Apart from chat, you can also use this font style when creating statuses on WhatsApp. And that is how to change the WhatsApp font type without using any app. Thank you for watching, and good luck.